Hello friends. Many times during the building process it happens that we want to, let's say, branch off the current ACSS parameters and experiment with a couple of things, trying out different design directions. Simple things like adjusting spacing, trying out a new font, a different color, whatever. And sometimes this experimentation simply does not work. And then we find ourselves that we want to revert somehow to our earlier ACSS setup. And this is exactly where kits come handy. So in this demo, I am working on a simple ACSS setup in HWP, which is my page builder of preference. And let's say that I want to try something different on the design. First of all, I want to create a backup of my setup so I can easily revert back to it when needed. So let's do that by simply clicking the Schema logo next to the Save button. And now I just need to give my kit a name. Let's say checkpoint. And we are good to go. Now let's quickly visit the plugin settings in the WordPress admin. Let me refresh the page. And we see that the kit has just been added in my kit library, along with any other existing kits that I have created so far. Let's get back to the editor and start customizing the design. Okay, I just changed some obvious styles like colors, font family, radius, just to demo the workflow. Obviously, it can get much more complex than that. Now let's save this as a kit as well. I just gave it a name and saved. And back at the WordPress admin, let me just refresh the page. And the orange kit has been added to my collection. And now, of course, I decide that this is not what I wanted at all, and it's a perfect use case to revert back to my saved kit. So let's do that by going to the admin page in the kits collection, and let's apply the previous kit. Let me visit the front end, refresh the page, and we are back to the old styles. And of course, if you are unstable like me, the next day you simply decide that actually the new direction could work, so you just need to apply that kit. With Schema, you can also create and manage kits with your AI agent. Just ask it to save your existing ACSS setup and it will add it in your collection as a new kit. Let's try it right now in Claude. It would ask me for a name, correct. And that's pretty much it. I will see you in the next one.